In today's video, I am going to show you how to create unlimited accounts without using any phone number and how you can make money online by selling those accounts. I am not here to talk about by creating unlimited accounts right in front of you. I can guarantee that if you watch this video until the end, you will be able to create unlimited accounts yourself. However, there is one special condition to make this process successful. To use my special method, you must get approval from me. I will only approve those who have subscribed to this channel. When you send a request, if I see that you haven't subscribed, I will reject it immediately and you won't be able to start working. So if you are seriously about working and earning money, subscribe right now. And remember, do not skip the video. If you don't watch closely, you won't understand the process. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the screen. Let's get started. So friends, we will need this app to create unlimited Gmail accounts. I will explain where to find it, how to download it and how to set it up. So watch the video carefully. Now I am going to open the app. So friends, after opening the app, it asks to enter license key and unlock it with a code. I will tell you where to find the code in this video. The code will appear one by one at different parts of the video. So watch the video carefully and collect the complete accurate code. The codes are placed in such a way that if you skip the video, they won't show up. So watch closely. If even one code is wrong, it won't work. Collect the correct codes. Grab a notebook if needed, as there are many codes. Now I will paste the code and click on Unlock Access. As you can see, our app is now unlocked. Premium unlocked. Now I will click on Let's Start. Then you can see it says Select Server. It's asking you to select the country for which you want to create Gmail accounts. There are United States, Bangladesh and India available. Select any one of them. After selecting, it says number of accounts. Select how many Gmail accounts you want to create at once. For now, I will create 1000 Gmails. So I am selecting 1000. After selecting, click on Start Automation. As you can see, it has started creating Gmail accounts. You don't have to do anything, just select and click Start. It's automatically generate name, username and password. There is no phone verification required, no accounts will get banned, and there are no limits. You can create unlimited Gmails. So make sure to collect the complete code shown in the video. If one code is wrong, it won't work and your time will be wasted. One more thing, when selecting the number of accounts, choose according to your phone's preference. If you have a normal phone, select 50 plus. If your phone is fast, you can select as many as you want. You can find this app on our Telegram channel. The link is in the video description or pinned comment. It's a private channel, so you will need to send a request. I will check if you have liked the video and subscribe to this channel. If not, I won't approve your request. So subscribe now and collect the accurate codes. Once approved, download the app, use the codes to unlock it and start creating unlimited Gmails. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for future update. The video is getting long, so I should stop here. We will stop the automation in a moment. No, not yet. Only 5 Gmails have been created so far. Let more be created. Watch carefully and collect all the codes. Make sure there are no mistakes. I am saying it again if you don't subscribe and like. I want to approve your request. So those who haven't subscribed and like yet, do it right now. Also share this video with your friends. Tell them this is an unlimited Gmail creation video. Earn money by creating unlimited Gmail and give your friends a chance to earn too. Why should you be the only one? So friends, as you can see, Gmails are being created rapidly and it's not asking for any phone numbers. So friends, as you can see, while we are talking, 8 Gmail accounts have already been created. Brother, our method is the best in the world. No one has been able to create a method like this until now. So brother, collect the codes very careful. Make sure there are no mistakes. If the code is wrong, everything is over. So friends, many Gmails have been created and the video is getting quite long. So let's stop it now. After stopping, you can see successful. All our Gmails have been created. Now I will tell you how and where to sell these Gmails. First, click on copy all data. At the bottom, all the Gmails and passwords will be copied. Then paste them into your notepad. After that, we have a Gmail selling bot link on our Telegram channel. You can go there and sell your Gmails to the bot. So you have understood how to earn money by creating unlimited Gmail accounts. That's all for today's video.